Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn Shaper, Pencil Path Erase and Joint Tool. So let's start. So here we have Shaper tool. Shaper tool is very useful for drawing basic shapes. Pick and draw a common shape like circle or oval. So Illustrator will generate it, what you are going to draw, and will give you perfect shape. Next is Pencil tool. You can draw freehand lines. You can use Pencil tool for making signatures. If draw with holding Shift key so it will go straight. Next is Smooth tool. Draw some lines from Pencil tool. Now see we have sharp corners. Pick Smooth tool and drag on sharp corners. So they will convert to smooth. Drag couple of times. This tool is useful sometimes. Next is Path Erase tool. Make a rectangle and pick Path Erase tool. Come to edge of your path and click it, so it will break it. Next is Joint tool. Draw some lines from Pen tool. And then another path. Select both of them, now pick Joint tool, and just drag, so it will joint. That's all for Shaper, Pencil, Smooth and Joint tool. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.